Hello, everybody. Um, on the news so far, you hear a lot of news regarding gold at $3,000 per ounce for the first time in history. So now let's look at what they say. Okay, so gold this, gold that, 3,000. Okay, gold price rises above 3,000 announced for the first time amid economic uncertainty. So now why don't we take a look at the gold chart? So now I'm looking at the gold chart and you can see that right now is making all-time high today. Well, let's see. So if you look, you can see that it making this sign, this the called doji in the trading terminology, and this could be a reversal. We don't know, but people trader like to trade on the even number. So 3,000 is an even number. So now we look at um, the short term, or I'm looking at the daily chart, going back all the way to 2021. Okay, I'm going to zoom out 2020, 21. So going from about 2100, the low about 1700, then go back up to test, come back down, and then broke out, and then went all the way up to 3000. So now let's look at the long term, which is the weekly. Usually I use daily and weekly and look at the trend. Now, do you see anything interesting? Look at the green line. It's go from late 2002, October 2002, the low, and then another low 2003 February, another low. So it was bouncing on top of the line, and go under, and then go under the line, go back up, touch the line, did not break it, go back down, swing back up again, touch it. It did not confirm on the weekly chart. It went back down, sideways, go back up again. Here it failed to bridge, go back down, and now this week it tried to breach the trend line, and this is the major trend line. So, what the chance of it breaking up? I would say, we don't know because nobody knows. Okay, if somebody tell you that they know, they don't. Nobody knows. So we just use probability. And, as right now, you just have to wait and see. Most of the time, it went back up, it went back down. Okay? It could not break out. If it does, if it breaks out, where is the next level that it will go? Most likely, it will go up to about 3,200. Okay, it go if you break up, go 3,200, and it will come back to the scene of the crime to test it again to make sure. Usually that's how it does. Always break above, come back up to test, and then break out even higher. Or it will come back up, go down test, and then break back down. Or the second scenario is from here, it will go back and test, I would say 2774, and then go back up again, make new time high, and test the trend line again. So we have two scenarios. And usually when this happens, it's best to wait for the confirmation. And because it reached 3,000, which is the even level, most likely there's a lot of sales. So when they sell, it will come back down and test the 27, I would say 2800 level before it go back up to test again. Okay, so that is most likely. The other scenario would be go back up to 32, come back down about 30, 50, and then break out, bounce off the trend line. So right now it really depends. If you believe in gold, maybe it's a good bet to put some option for the call. Otherwise, I would just wait for the pullback, and then you can decide to buy a little bit at 2770. But again, this is just my opinion. Do your diligence and good luck. Have a good one, everybody.